We're headed to check out the historic Kinsol Trestle on Vancouver Island today. Come join us. The Kinsol Trestle is a historic wooden bent train bridge used predominantly for logging trains during its lifetime. Built in 1911, completed in 1920, and last used for trains in 1979, this trestle is now an amazing walking bridge that stands 144 feet tall and 617 feet across the Koksilah River. Because of its location, it's also called the Koksilah River Trestle. You start the trail to the Kinsol Trestle at the parking lot, obviously, and then it's quite a bit of a hike to get to the actual trestle itself. So come prepared with good shoes and maybe some water. The hike to the trestle is a really easy walk and very beautiful with lots of trees.
The whole bridge is made out of wood. It's pretty impressive.
The bridge is really wide, it's nice and solid, and it goes quite a ways. My kids are still running and they haven't reached the other end.
Oh God, that gives me vertigo just watching him pick my child up like that. We made it to the other end of the trestle bridge.
We're headed down the hill to the bottom of the trestle, and I'm going to attempt to fly my drone, which could turn out disastrously. Well, I didn't crash my drone, so we're on our way back to our car. We have quite a walk and the kids are already asking to be picked up, so we'll see how it goes.
Have you ever visited the Kinsol Trestle or any other similar train trestles? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please remember, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you stay notified on all of my new videos.